how to create Instagram business page 2020
tools with professional accounts. You can get access to tools like insight about your followers and account and so on. It's a new account that I created on Instagram just purposely to show you how you can create. What you're going to do, you're going to click on the three dots at the right corner. That will take you to settings. You select settings, it takes you to another portal whereby you can see a place that we call account. You select account. Okay, so you take you to account, you see information saved, close friends, language, caption and other stuff. So you're going to see switch to professional account. You press on switch to professional account. Loading. Okay, get a professional tools with professional account. You can get access to tools like insight about your followers and account and so on. Insight about your followers and see more. To reach more people, create ads, create new contact options. Those are the option that is going to give you. So press continue. So now we are going to talk about what is the best description of describe your business. So they provide a lot of options here. Are you an artist? Are you a musician? Are you a blogger? Do you sell clothing? Community? Are you a digital marketer, creator? Education, entrepreneur, and health. Your choice in it. You can write something that fall within your lane. So what you're going to do, we are going to take blog, personal blog. I think something like that would be cool. So we're going to select personal blog. So you're going to press next. So now they're asking you, are you a creator? Based on your category, you select it. You may be a creator. You can change this at any time. So this is a creators section, and we have a business section. So we are going to do business on this. So we are going to select the business section. Then you press next. This is the part that I ask you to put a review your contact information. So you're going to put your business email address and your contact that they can reach you on when somebody wants to contact you. So you press next. They asking if you want to connect. No, we are not going to do this one. I'll do a video on this. Connect to Facebook with the whole link together. So we skip that one. So now they are giving set up your professional account, complete your profile. Then you have to enter the rest of the details. Okay, so what we're going to do is like, there's your profile, so you can see that I'm putting in KD. So just a little brief listen about your company or your business that you're coming to run on there. A bio, something more about it will also help. So you finish doing that, you just save it. So when you have a website, you can add a link. As you can see there, you have a link after that. When you have a website, you can add to it. Set up your professional account. I think one step is completed. Grow your audience. You invite friends from Instagram, from WhatsApp and other stuff. So I try doing some example here that you can see. So I'm inviting Nutriflex, McDonald's food or bar, all these kind of things. You just need to share your listing to get your account complete. So with a couple of people, you can press them. So as you can see, we are done with